Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for October 8th, 2015. And for today, we'll have another day where it's going to be above normal for this time of year. Not quite as warm as it was yesterday, but we're still talking about temperatures that are going to be generally 5 or 6 degrees above normal for this point in October. And we're going to be even warmer here on Friday. We're going to have a area low pressure move up to the north here and drag a cold front through here eventually. But before it does, and after a mostly sunny day today, this cold front will move through probably in the evening or overnight hours, but we'll have an area of showers and thunderstorms that will move through the area. Here is looking at the morning hours, so I do think it starts off for most of our coverage area here, partly cloudy early in the morning. Then we have an increase of clouds as this advances down to the southeast. Not a lot of precipitation with this overall, so we're not looking at a big game-changing rainfall here or anything, and any thunderstorm activity would be isolated. But we're looking at, here's a look at the afternoon hours here on Friday, and then once into the early evening. Then after that point, well before midnight, we're looking at an end to this precipitation and then partial clearing. So by the time we get into Saturday, we're looking at no precipitation across our entire coverage area here, and nothing but high pressure moving in. Setting up a pretty nice day here on Saturday and Sunday. One thing behind that cold front, once it does move through, colder temperatures come in for the weekend here. So whatever warm up we had ahead of this warm front, ahead of the cold front before it came through. Again, showing you that cold front right here. This is here on Friday. Anytime you have a cold front moving through like this, and of course area low pressure sitting up here that it's attached to, you have southwesterly winds generally, or southerly or southwesterly winds out ahead of it that brings you the warmer air out ahead of the cold front. And then once you get behind, once the front passes, temperatures drop off. So that's what we're expecting for the weekend. With high pressure control, we're expecting temperatures to be below normal this weekend, especially on Saturday, and then Sunday will still be below normal, but only slightly, and until we get into not Memorial Day, excuse me, Columbus Day on Monday. We're expecting temperatures to increase as the another front is approaching the area here. This frontal boundary is right here like this, so this is going to do the same thing. It's going to warm up ahead of it, probably not as much as it is tomorrow, what we're expecting tomorrow ahead of that front, but it will warm up nonetheless here on Monday, but remaining dry, and then that cold front will come through either late Monday night or early Tuesday morning. There's some timing discrepancies here with this, but right now it looks like either late Monday night, early Tuesday morning with this cold front, and that moves through, and then we go right back again. It's going to be a wash, rinse, repeat. This is what is going to be happening for the foreseeable future anyway, where you're going to have that up and down, and generally when you get into this time of year, you're going to have those temperatures above doing this all peaks and valleys with temperatures. That's going to continue through much of the month of October, but we do expect the month of October as a whole to end up below normal when all is said and done and the dust settles. But this is something you can normally expect during transition months. So we do the same thing in spring, and I think people lose sight of that. You have some days that you're still stuck in the 40s and 50s that are still want to hang on a winter, and then you get up into some days that were in the 60s and 70s. Even if they're short-lived, you still have that up and down in spring, and you do the same thing in autumn. So here are a lot of questions of when is it going to stay cool for good. This is not expected during autumn, and I'm not sure if it's just maybe some either have short-term memories and their short-term memories not very, very good, or maybe this had just moved to this area, one of the two. But it is expected for temperatures to go up and down as we get into the transition months of fall. We are definitely in a transition month during the month of October. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for October 8th, 2015. Have a great Thursday.